Assalamu alaikum, my name is Muhammad Zishan and you are watching now my YouTube channel PHO Skills. In this video I'm going to show you how you can design this kind of portfolio website for you. For example, if you are a WordPress developer or designer, or if you are a photographer, you have to need a portfolio website, and you can now design your own portfolio website without any skills, without coding or without HTML CSS. Within just few clicks you can make this kind of stunning website for you. We are making this possible within few minutes, within 1 hour. So please keep watching this video and subscribe my channel and go to the development step. Get started with the theme. The theme that we are going to use today is Inbio. This is a very awesome WordPress theme that is used for portfolio websites. So this is very easy to install WordPress, install theme into WordPress. And if you want to download this theme, you can just go to vidon.com, and then you can search here for the Inbio, and this theme will be available to download. And if you want to purchase this theme, you can go to Theme Forest, and here you can purchase this theme in almost $20 or $39. So but I can also provide you the link where you can download this theme free of cost. For example, here I will search here Inbio, and this theme will be available. So if I search here Inbio, and here if you search here you can see Inbio will be available. Here you can see Inbio latest version is available. Here you can easily download. So I just go back, and I have already downloaded this theme, so I will just go back and install this theme. For installing theme, you just need to go to appearance and then click on themes, and just click here in the add new button and just upload the theme that you have recently downloaded. So I'll just click here upload theme and choose file, and here this is my Inbio theme, and just click here and open this and just click on install. So this theme will be installed within few seconds or within few minutes. Here you can see theme has been uploaded, and just click on activate. Now we need to install the required plugins by Inbio. So just click here begin installing plugins. So all the required plugins will be installed. Just click here and install now. Here you can see all the plugins are successfully installed. I'll just go back, return to required plugins, and here I just need to activate all. Just click here and activate. Here you can see all plugins are activated, and just go back into appearance. So now all the new options will be available here. So I just cut this down. I don't need this now. I just cut this, and here you can see we have many options there. And now if I want to import the demo content for Inbio WordPress theme, so I can see in the tools and just click on install demo. So now how you can install the demo content for Inbio. After installing the demo content, this pre-made website of Inbio will be available. So we can just make editing into these pages, and we can make our website. So just click here tools and just click on install demo. Here we have lots of demo contents. For example, home dark, home light, and technician, designer, and model light, consulting. There are lots of demos that we can download, but we can install any of them. But for now I want to install this first one. So I just click here install, and this will be installed within few seconds or minutes. Here you can see it's installing. Here you can see demo content has been installed, and every content you can see everything is here. So now we are going to customize it. And first of all, if you click here edit with Elementor, you can edit anything: client grid, pricing, statics, and settings, theme builder, and anything that you want to edit. So first of all, I will go back into dashboard and make some more settings into WordPress. In WordPress, you just need to go to settings and just click here in the permalinks, and we just need to click here and the post name, yes, this is post name, and just click on save changes. So this is the first thing that you need to do. Second thing, in the journal, if you have here, you can see here it's saying in bio and all in one, something like that. And here I will just go here, and here is saying personal portfolio. So if you want to change this and personal portfolio, so you can change it. So I will say my portfolio and folio, and I will just write here WordPress website portfolio. Okay, and here I will just save changes, and when I will refresh this here, if you see here in the top bar, you will see the text and tagline will be changed. Here you can see my portfolio WordPress website portfolio. So this has been done. Now I need to change this logo and make some changes here. So if you go there, here you can see, if you click here, it goes down and remain there, and if you click here portfolio, it also go down and there. So if I want to make changes in the theme, I just go there and theme options, and in the theme options I can make changes into the header area and so on. So here you can see it's saying switch to dark mode, and it's enable switch box wrapper no, and select logo. I will say text. I will write the text logo, and here in the image, it's an image, and I will say text logo, and in the text logo site title I will say my name is Ishan, and I will just save changes. And if I refresh it, here you can see it is changed to text. If I refresh it, if you can see, it's changed into text. So we can also use text as well as our image. So I don't want to use this header that is pre-built. I want to use my own header, and for adding header I will go down, and there we need to have a Elementor Pro plugin. So I will add a new plugin called Elementor Pro. So first of all, we have Elementor, and Elementor Pro we need to install, and I will just click here upload theme, and I will choose the Elementor Pro. So you can also download Elementor Pro free of cost by watching the video I have given below in the link. And I will go down and install Elementor Pro, and let me see where I have Elementor Pro, and here I have downloaded Elementor Pro, and I will just go upload this into my website. So it will enable me to edit this header and make this header a new header for my website. So this header is editable, but I want to use my own header, that where I can use my own image and so on. Here you can see plugin has been uploaded, and just click on activate plugin. Now we have installed Elementor Pro, and I will just go there and templates, and click here into add new, and I will add a new template called header. So I will add my header area here, and I will just go here, and let's see if there is already available header or not. So if I click here in the header, there is no any header, so I will just click here new header, and I will just click here my own header, I will write here and create this template. Now I will just close this, and now we have our own header area where there is no any limitations of editing. So first of all, I will click here and add a new row. In the row, I will just add a new column just for adding my image and text. So I will just go there and make it 20% or 25%, 16%. I will make it 60%. There will nothing will show. I will just go show you something now. I will just go there and search for image. I will just search for image, and I will just upload an image here, and here is image. I will just upload this image here, drag and drop here. I will just upload there, and here I will select my own image instead of theme image. I will just use my own image, and I will select my own image. So I will select here, select files, and I will find out my image. Here is my own image. Let's search here. I have my image. I will upload my image here because I am making this portfolio for my, so I will just click here and insert, and here you can see this is my image and available. I will just go there and I will add a new inner section here. So I will let you know why I have added this inner section. I will just make it more, and I will just put this image inside this. So here you can see this image is appearing here. Now I want to make it more visible, so I will just click here, and border radius I will just write here, and in the border radius I will say 100%. So in the 100% border radius, and I will say I will also add a border, so I will add a border solid, and border width will be 2 pixel, or I just say 3 pixel. And border color I would like to select border color. Here in the border color I will just say white. Okay, so this is now border color, and near here if I just go back here, you can see this image is appearing more high, and I will just click here and make it more here, and you can see it's also now bigger. I will just go there and make it more smaller. So here you can see this is looking nice now. I will just go there and I will just write here and add a new text here. I will just go there and text here. So in the text I will just write here Zishan, this is my name, and I will just write there, and I will say Zishan, this is my name. So I will just modify this, and I will just say font size will be 17 pixel or 22 pixels, and the 22 pixel, and I will just make it in middle. I'll just click here and vertical align in the middle. So in this I will also select it vertical align middle. So I will just go back here. You can see this is looking nice now. It will be very nice when it will be completed. It will just look like this one, for example this one, and here in this one. And also I just want to add here I will just click here styles, and I will just click here border shadow, and in the border shadow I will just click here, and in the color I will select this color. Okay, so this is now here you can see this is border shadow. Now I want to add a new menu, and in the menu I will just click here and click here for navigation menu. Here I will just put this here. So in the navigation menu here you can see features, portfolio, and everything that is available here is here. So now I will just click here and make it also in the middle. So I will just click here and it will be in middle. So I will just click publish and condition entire site. I will just say it should be available in the entire site. Now I will just refresh it and let's see is it available on our website or not. Here you can see this is available now, and but this image is very in the left sidebar, so I want to make it more here. So here if I go there and just click here, and I will just click here in the advanced, and in the padding I will just say left padding should be 40 pixel and just update it, and I will refresh it here, and here it will be now you can see it's now in the left sidebar, but I will just add a new 70 and just click here update and refresh it, and here you can see this is nice now. Now another thing, this is very low in the bottom, so I will just click here and I want to make it more visible, and I will just say I just click here and just make it 70 minus 70 pixels, so it will make it more upper. So I will just refresh it. Now it's above, and it's not 70. I will just say 40 and just update it and refresh it, Now you can see it's looking nice now. Again, I will just go back and make it mobile responsive. So now how we can make this menu mobile responsive? So just click here in this icon and just click on this mobile icon. So here you can see this is looking like that in mobile area. So first of all, I will just click here, and first of all, and the left and right padding we will make it 0. In the margin we will also make it 0. Now we are going to just click here, and it will should be 50%. So just click here and it will be 50%. Here I will just click here and make it 50%. Now you can see these are now each other. So if I make it more smaller, so just click here and make it 20%. Yeah, here, and here you can see my name is here, and this one is here and this one is here. I will just click here, and this whole I should make it 80%. Sorry, I will make here, I will just click here, sorry, here, and I will make it 80%, and it should be 20%. Here this is the section, and this is the column, inner column, and this is another column, and it should be each other, and make it more smaller. Here 80%, here is 20%. Here you can see these are now each other, and if I click here again, I will just click here inner section, in the inside that, and here this is column, and this is actually column, and in this column I will just click here and make it 20%. Here you can see this is now line by line, and make it 30. Okay, 30 is more, 25. Now you can see these are now looking nice in the mobile version. I will just click here and update. Now this is responsive for mobile and desktop, so just refresh it, and now you can see this is looking very awesome on desktop version as well. If I click here, it goes here, and features, it goes on portfolio here. Now we need to customize our home page or our portfolio or main page. So just click here in the edit page, edit with Elementor. So edit with Elementor, it's just drag and drop. You just need to make changes here, you just need to update things, you just need to put your own things, or add your own details here. Here you can see this is the first area, so I will just click here in the pencil icon, and here is the layout. We can change it, layout 1 2 3 4, that the available layouts from the theme. So if I click here, there this is showing black, and here you can see welcome to my world. So I will say welcome to my digital services. Okay, this is, and hi I am, and in the Johnly I will say I'm Zishan, and here is a professional coder. Okay, here you can see professional coder. So here you can see this is the description. So I will just go down, and I will go to my Fiverr account, or to copy the descriptions from Fiverr. So if you have a own description, you can write, but I will just go back to my account to copy this description. So you can also write description via using chat AI or any other software. And I will just copy this description, and I will just write, copy this description and paste into my description. So I will just paste it here. If I make some changes into the design, or text or colors, so I can also make changes in the colors. If I say content subheaders, also here you can see this is the subheader. I can just make changes in the text, and in the title, here you can see title color. So I will just say title color. Here you can see there we can change it. And in the name color, here you can see this is the name color, so we can make it any color and any design that we can want. So I will just write here and select this color as now. And here what find with me, and here I can change with my own links, Facebook links and Instagram and so on. So if I go there, and there is my Facebook link, and I also use this Facebook link into my Facebook icon link. Here I will just get here, and in the Instagram and LinkedIn and so on. So if I want to remove these links, I just go there and link. If I want to add a new link here, and just click here and search for example, search for any link or any other thing. So I will just go there, and here, and you can see any other link you can put here with any icon. So here you can see there is icon, and you can choose this the links here also, as well as best skills on. Here they are saying in and in vision, and here you can see you can upload your own icons and images here. Let's go there in the next section. Sorry, for example, in this section here is image. So this one is images transparent, but if I want to use my image, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's looking not very nice, but we can make it if I go there and make border radius as 100%, and it's not changing. Let's see, layout 2 is layout 3 and layout 4. Layout 4 background type is gradient. I think layout 4 is not relevant. Layout 3, it's now relevant. And now I can also make them here. If I move these skills here, so here is very nice now, and here you can see it's propagate. Now propagate means it's the empty space is covered, but I will just go back there. Here now I will just go there, and what I do, so here I will just go there, and in the styles I will just go there, and colors, subtitle color. So if the subtitle color is here, and I will go there and make it now also green. And in the sections I will just click here, and here you can see I will say WordPress web design, and I will just go there, and in the app development I can also write app development, business strategies, mobile app, SEO, and so on. So all these things I can change. You can see the icons colors has been changed, and text I have added there. Now if I go there in this section, I will just click here this pencil icon, and I will just share here you can see visit my portfolio and keep your feedback. And here I will just go there, and I will just change the styles or title or subtitle colors. I will just go there and paste this color because I need this color in this form. And the portfolio, my portfolio, here in the portfolio I will just click here, and here is custom portfolio has been displayed. So I can also upload my own portfolio. I will just delete this, and I will write here my own I will add my own row here. I will just click here and just put here an inner section for example here. In inner section, I will just click here in this icon and just click here in the install style, for example, and in the style I will just click here background, and I will choose background image as my portfolio. I'll just click here because I am a web developer and I will just upload my own web development portfolio. So I will just go back and here in bio portfolio, here's my portfolio, for example, and here is one of my website. Just I will upload this. This is an image or screenshot of my portfolio. And I will just click here and insert. Now there is nothing, but I will just click here and I will just click on layout, and I will say vertical align middle and horizontal align center, center. And here I will just click here and I will add a spacer. Here I will just click here and search for spacer, and I will just click here and drag and drop here. In the spacer I will just make it 250 or 40, 260. I will just say 260 pixels, and here I will just go back there again. In the style I will make it more settings into my background. I will just say, and position I will say center top right, top center, and I will say it's cover. So I will just make it cover. So here you can see this is cover now, and I will just go there, and in the hover I will just click here and choose this, and I will just click here and make it insert, and position I will just say bottom center. So bottom center, and align attachment I will just say repeat, no repeat, and say size I will just say cover. And if I go there, and here you can see it's now, but in the transition I will just go there and increase the transition, so it's very fast now, and I will just make it 10. Here you can see now it's very awesome. If I go there back, and now I want to make it, I will just delete this here for now, and I will repeat this, duplicate, and here you can see 2 are here. So but I want to make more changes here, and just click here, and I will just click on style of this column, and in the border I will just say border radius I will just say 15, and I will just say border type I will just say solid, and here you can see border has been added. And in the border width I will just say 3 pixels, and in the shadow I will just say border shadow, and border shadow should be white, and here you can see border shadow here is, here I will just say here you can see border shadow is given, and I will make some padding around this, and here I will just say margin 22. That's fine, I think margin 25 I think, and I will just delete this and repeat this, duplicate and duplicate it. Now I will just go there, and now you can see it's looking nice now. Hey, this is awesome. and I will change this portfolio to with my own portfolio. And for example, this is one image, and in this I will just go there, and in the style I will upload all the images one by one. Now I have uploaded all of my images or portfolio here. Now we go to there, my resume, and I will just click here, and I will just write here, and I will just change the styles because I don't like these styles or colors. And I will just click here, and in this I will just go there and change this color to this, and in the my resume, and I will just click here in the tabs, and there is education tab, and here in the education I will just say yes, education, and then professional skills, and here is professional skills, and then experience, and then interview. So I will make changes in the tabs. I will let you know how you can make changes in the tabs, but I will just keep these as it is, and I will make changes right there. And in the templates, these are templates are available. So now in the templates you can make changes there. For example, if I want to make changes in the education tab, I will just go there in the templates. Here in the templates I will just go there because I have created this already. I will just exit it. In the templates, again here in the templates, save templates, here you can see there are 22 published icons. So let me make it more visible. I just click here and click here, and here you can see. And here, first of all, if we click here in the education, so if I go to education, so I will just click here for education, edu, c, education quality. Here you can see, and I will just click here and edit with Elementor. So if I want to make changes in this tab, I will just click here and make changes with edit with Elementor. Here you can see education, so I will just click here and I will say 92 920 education. I will just say I will say in this I just want to this, and I will just say BS computer science, computer science, and I got it from Virtual University of Pakistan. And here instead of 2000 I'll just say 2022 22. Okay, and here I will just say I just got degree here and development. Okay, here is the description that we can write here, and subjects I got 3.9.4. I did not get this. Okay, so this is how you can make changes in the tabs and make your own tabs. For example, I just click here, and here is the experience. I will just say software and some web trainers and front end, so on. So you can make changes here as well. As if I want to make professional skills, if I click here professional skills and go back in the templates, and I can just make changes into this one as well. As I will just go back, exit, click on save templates, and in this I will just say, here you can see design skills, and here design skills, control F, skills. Here you can see professional skills, and I will just click here, edit with Elementor. Here you can see these are skills that we can edit. Just click here. If I click here, and here you can see skills list, I can say Photoshop, Figma, so on, WordPress. Instead of Photoshop, I will just say WordPress, and in Figma I will just say WooCommerce, and so on. So that's how you can make changes into your skills if you want to, change the styles, title, skills list. So I can also make changes in these points as well as. So this is how you can make changes into your own tabs according to this. So just click here and update. So now we have updated the skills tabs, as well as we can also change the experience tab and overview tab, just the following the methods that I have provided for these two tabs. Now if I go there above, just click on global widgets. So there are some global widgets. If there are not global widgets, so that's okay. Now we are going back into Elementor tab and just go there in the testimonials. So I will just click here and make them testimonials, and here you can see all the testimonials. Here the testimonials list here is, for example, first testimonial is narrative, and here I can also change the image of this without here image. For example, this is my client, for example, and I can make changes in the testimonials and make all the changes of testimonials. Text, for example, I want to change the title, description, and so on. I can also add my own text and testimonials. Just like that, I will just click here, and awesome clients, in awesome clients I also can change the awesome clients. For example, if you click here and in the JavaScripts, I can just click here, and here you can see Elementor library client grid. So these are same as it is. We have made changes here. We can also make changes here by following this method. And in the my pricing, you can also write your own pricing and so on. In the blog, if you have any blog, you can budget. If you don't have, you can just cut this. In the contact us, here is the form, and you just need to click here, and in the form you can see this is the contact form 7 is added, and in the contact form 7 you can make changes. But for now I will just click here, and in the phone number I will just write one to my own phone number. I will just share. Here you can see this is my own phone number, and I will say this is admin at pkskills.com. okay, and I can also change the icons, social icons, text, links. So here you can see I can add my own links. So this is how you can make a beautiful portfolio. And just click on update. Just click on update button, and here you can see here this has been refreshed, and just go down into this area, and here you can see we have made our website very awesomely and creatively, and I hope you understand. For example, here you can see in the favicon and another image is showing. So if I want to use my own image here, I just go back in the settings and appearance, and just click on customize. In the customize, I can just go there, site identity, and here you can see the favicon is here, and just click here and remove, and I will just click here, select icon, and I will just use my own icon and just click here and select, and just go up and select this image. So now here my image will be shared. Just go back, and in the colors, in by colors, global colors, you can see primary colors. So I even can change the primary colors to this one. Control C and just click on publish. So here you can see the primary color will be changed. If I refresh it, all the primary colors that were this color, so these colors will be changed. Here you can see this color, and these colors are changed. Now you can see, if the click here the professional skills, here you can see all the colors are changed. Here primary gradient, I will just say primary gradient should be this one, and the primary orient I will just say this one, and just click on publish. And if I refresh again, here you can see in that one, if I just click here, for example, here you can see these colors are also changed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any question, or if you need video about any other topic, you can comment below.